Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a super easy layered plaid design on our nail. We are going to be starting off with 2 coats of one of the flaky crellies that recently launched from the Fall into Zen collection from Painted Polish. I'll have the specific one linked down below, but you guys, these are so good for Lexi's first go with a flaky formulation. It's a total win. I am so impressed. They are stunning. Everybody needs at least a couple of them. Next, we are just going to be taking the Powder Perfect Christmas 1 plate and also taking a couple stamping polishes from Lexi. And we are simply going to be layering those onto our accent nail. I am doing this on my ring finger, just in case you were wondering. But I believe this is stamped in chocolate. And then I'm stamping right over top of it with Midnight Mischief. Peel off that latex, clean up your nail just a touch, and then go in with your favorite scent of Timeless Top Coat from Cuticula, and you are set to go. I will have the link for everything in the description down below, and I also have a discount code for you for everything Cuticula. I hope you guys love this simple look as much as I did. I'm strongly going into the simple direction for my nails. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!